To inspect or replace the air filter on your Outlaw 70, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Set the parking brake. Lift up on the back of the seat and pull back to remove. Remove the 2 push rivets on the access cover and lift back to open. Position the diagnostic plug out of the way as needed. Clean the area around the airbox. Release the 2 airbox cover clips. Pull the airbox cover out and rotate so the rubber outlet is pointed up. Pivot the cover toward the opening and position in front of the battery. Rotate the cover straight up and out of the vehicle. Next, remove the air filter from the airbox. Inspect the air filter for excessive debris or damage. Replace with a Polaris-approved air filter from your dealer, if necessary. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Inspect the airbox seal and replace if necessary. Clean the inside of the airbox thoroughly. Dirt or debris in the intake tube could result in severe engine damage. Install the air filter into the box. To prevent dirt intrusion, ensure the O-ring is installed properly within the rim of the airbox. Reinstall the airbox cover into the vehicle with the rubber outlet pointing up and the clips positioned inside the cover. Rotate the cover until the rubber outlet is pointed downward and open the airbox clips. Install the cover on the airbox and rotate until the alignment tab engages. Secure the 2 airbox cover clips. Reposition the diagnostic plug as needed. Close the access cover and reinstall the 2 push rivets. Finally, engage the front seat tabs and push down on the rear of the seat. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.